The first thing we have to do though is define slope in a way that we're going to talk about it in Algebra 2. So if you had me for geometry, which is majority of you, we talked a lot about slope and we used it in context of like shapes and triangles and proving that two shapes were similar or congruent or whatever. This time, when we talk about slope, we're talking about the rate of change between the input variable or the independent variable and the output or dependent variable. This is just a little different way of framing how we talk about slope. If the number one way that I relate this is by looking at a car going a certain amount of miles in a certain amount of hours, the slope represents the speed. So it's how many miles we're going and the amount of hours that it takes us to get there. Yeah, sorry, I just had a brain blank. Anyway, so the slope is just the relationship between the two things. So we still use the same formula though for slope, which is rise over run. So when you solve the problems today, you're still just doing y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. That's going to show you your slope on your linear functions. All linear functions just have one slope.